Understanding the phrase, check your ropes, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase, check your ropes. This expression might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it effectively in conversation. So, let's get started. First, let's look at the literal meaning of the phrase. The word check means to examine something to ensure it's correct, safe, or working properly. Ropes are long, thick cords made from fibers twisted or braided together. In a literal sense, check your ropes would be something a climber, sailor, or someone working with ropes might do to ensure safety. However, in everyday English, check your ropes is often used figuratively. It means to ensure that all preparations are complete, or that everything is in order before starting a task. It's similar to saying, cross your T's and dot your I's, paying attention to every detail. Let's see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. 1. Before a presentation, I've got a big presentation tomorrow. I need to check my ropes and make sure everything's ready. 2. In project management, we're about to launch the project. Let's check our ropes so we don't face any unexpected issues. 3. Personal planning. Before my trip, I'll need to check my ropes, confirming hotel bookings, packing essentials, and securing my home. Sometimes, you might hear variations like, check your lines, or double-check everything. They all convey a similar message of being thorough and cautious before proceeding. And that's all about the phrase, check your ropes. Remember, it's all about being cautious and thorough in your preparations. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.